What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Looks like Bitcoin's starting to make its move. We're sitting at 41.2K. We're up 2.7 on the day, seeing a market cap of 808 billion, 24 volume, 21 billion. So as you can see, we're starting to push up. So it does look like we could definitely start to push up in our wave 5, especially if we break the bullish confirmation of 42.1K. We're currently in 3 Gala trades, 1 trade for VeChain, 1 trade for XRP. You can gain free access to my signals at the end of the video. So if we break 42.1, then we can start to push up in our wave 5 with the target of 53.7. That's what I think is the likely scenario. As you can see here on the daily time frame, we do have a lot of support in this area, and that's currently where we are starting to bounce. So we could potentially break out from here, especially if we get back above the 20 EMA. If we get rejected before the bullish confirmation, we create a lower low. It is what it is. Sometimes that's the way it goes. That's why I don't like to have my stop loss too tight. I like to swing trade. So we'll see if we can break 42.1K. Looking at the DXY, we're starting to pull back. So if we do come back and retest that neckline, that will allow Bitcoin to continue to push up. May go a little bit sideways before pushing back to the upside. To the DXY, usually that would be negative for BTC, but I do think they don't always move exactly together or opposite of each other. I do think that, excuse me, the higher probability is we continue up towards 53.7K. So watch that bullish confirmation at 42.1 to give you a stronger signal. We are going to put in that wave 5 to the upside. And then basically what you're going to see is, once again, a larger pullback. So far it's been playing out as we've been predicting over these last few weeks, few months here. We love to see it. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders looking for an exchange. Grab those bonuses, make your first deposit, email me after you make that deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're in multiple crypto trades, multiple Forex trades. We're ready to go. And Mahado all plays. Completely free access with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Send me an email if you want direct access. It's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.